Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Your girl is super excited because I got a new camera. I got a new Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Yes, you guys, I'm super excited and I cannot wait to unbox it for you guys. This has been long overdue. I've been meaning to get a new camera. I mean, this camera that I'm filming on right now is a Panasonic DMC FZ72, and guys, it was about time I got a new camera because this one, it does not have a lot of the features that I'm looking for in a new camera. So yes, your girl is super excited and I cannot wait to try this bad boy out. Whew, child, my selfie games are about to be lit, you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump into the unboxing. As it says on the box here, stories not included, but you don't have to tell me that because I'll be doing my own stories. So yeah, this is what the box looks like, and I'm about to show you what else is in it. So it comes with a Gorilla Pod and a travel case, which is good. I'm not really a fan of the Gorilla Pod, this type of Gorilla Pod, because I don't think it works very well. So I had to buy myself another tripod or whatever they call it. So yes, these are the three things that comes in the box. So you get the camera right here, which is a small and sleek, neat little thing. And then you get the Gorilla Pod and the case. So let me just open this thing so we can get started. All right. Okay, so let's open this box. So the first thing I'm going to pick out is the camera case. Sorry, you guys. So this is the case for the little camera. Oops. And it's very nice of them to offer you a case, because usually you'd have to buy these separately and they are not the cheapest. And this seems like a very good quality. Please excuse my fingernail, you guys. They are looking a bit rough and rugged right now. I need to get them sorted. But yeah, I'm kind of giving them a little couple of weeks break because the acrylics have really done a number on them. Anyways, yeah, so this is what the camera case looks like, and it says on there Canon, and it has a zipper right here. It's quite a big case, actually, big enough. So I'm guessing you store all your little bits here, like your cord and your little memory cards and stuff, batteries, whatever, extra batteries you can store here. And you've got these little pockets right here, which is really good. So you zip that up, and then you have a little space in here as well. You can also put a spare battery in there, and then you have another part right here which is where you place the camera. It comes with a little cord to put on the camera. So yeah, that's the camera cord. And then it comes with a little paper right here. I don't know what this says. Oh, it tells you it's a caution paper and stuff like that. Cool. And then what else does it have in it? So that's basically what's inside, and it's quite a big space to put the camera in, and ooh, quite sturdy. And it has like a sponge or something in it, so if this falls to the floor, your camera won't get broken. So that's really good. It's a very good case, actually. And then you have this part at the back. I can't get that open. Anyway, so you have this part at the back, and I'm guessing this is where you kind of, attach it to your waist or something. So yes, that's the case that comes with the camera. Very nice case. I'm very impressed. All right, so what else? So of course, the little Gorilla Pod that comes with it, and it's by Joby. Look at this. It's not even, it's so poxy. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm not going to really use this, to be honest. So that's the GorillaPod that comes complimentary with the camera, which is, you know, it's very good because it's a very small camera. So you can use it when you're going out or whatever. But as I said, I bought my own tripod. So yes, that's the second thing that comes with the camera. And then let's get to the real deal. So this is the camera. And it's, as I said, the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. And it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And it also has a tiltable screen. So let's take it out the box. Of course, it comes with the manual and all that stuff. Comes with the manual, which I will be reading quite shortly because I cannot wait to test this bad boy out. Ooh, look at this. So I'm guessing this is the real manual that's in several different languages. So this is the manual. Okay. So many things I have to go through to get to this camera. Okay, so then there is the charger for the camera, wrapped nicely in this Ziploc bag. Okay, what else? And then this is the charging outlet. This is where you put the battery for it to charge. I'm wondering if I can get like an extra battery, like a spare battery to go with it. I'm going to have to look on Amazon, but it's nice to have a spare battery for these cameras, just in case you're caught out filming and you run out of, you know, juice. And also, guys, the camera came with this little string. So this is to attach to the camera itself. And of course, the battery, which I'm about to charge right now. And then the fun part, the camera. Let me move all this garbage out the way. All right, guys, so this is what my little baby looks like. It's quite small and sleek, so it can easily fit in your purse or your bag. And it has a 40 times optical zoom, which is really, really good. So if you want to take like shots from a distance, you will get an absolutely gorgeous pic. So yes. And as I mentioned earlier, let me put it right there for you so you can have a look. So it's 20.3 megapixels CMOS. It has a 180 degrees tilt-up LCD screen. It shoots in 4K. And it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So those are very good things for me, especially when I was shopping for a camera. I had a look at several cameras. I had a look at the Sony F100 and also the Panasonic. So I can't remember the name, but I'll insert it somewhere or leave it in the description box. But I had a look at several different cameras, and this is the one that really, you know, would suit my lifestyle, because I'm looking for something that's small because I like to travel. And when I'm traveling, I like to vlog. And the camera I had before, it's quite big and chunky. So when I put it in my bag, it just took up a lot of space. And I didn't have a tiltable screen, so it made it hard for me when I'm vlogging. So it's good that this one has a tiltable screen. Let me lift it up for you guys. So that's what it looks like. That is the tiltable screen, which is a very substantial screen. And then, of course, when you're taking your selfies or you're vlogging, that will come in very handy. Let me see if I can turn it on. So this is the on and off button right here. Of course, I will have to charge it. So basically, guys, this is what it looks like. It has the on and off button right there. Then it has the zoom control right here. Then this little red button right here is for your recording. And then you have this little round panel right here, is which you put it on different features. And then it has all the little controls there as well. Hi, you can see me through my camera. So basically, this is what it looks like. Very neat and sleek little camera. And at the side here, I think this is where you put on the flash. And I'm guessing right here is where the battery is kept. Let's see. Open. Ah, there you go. So the battery goes in there. Yeah, so basically that's it, guys. It's a lovely little camera, perfect for vlogging. I think it got about 4 stars or 4.5 stars. So that was that was good enough for me to say, hey, this is something that I was willing to invest some money in. So yes, that is my new camera that I'll be using as of now. So I hope you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know what kind of cameras you use and if you plan on getting a new camera in the future. Oh, before I go, guys, this is the tripod that I got for my camera. This one is much more sturdy and strong and of a better quality. So this is the one I got. It's called the Manfrotto Pixie Mini Tripod. Okay, and then of course I got myself a memory card, and this one is from SanDisk, and it's meant to be a very fast one. And because my camera is a 4D, shoots in 4K, I picked up this that also offers 4K. So yeah. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's have a chat in the comment section down below. Let me know what cameras you have. As I said earlier, let me know what cameras you plan on getting if you're planning on getting a camera. So thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am so excited and I cannot wait to start playing around with my little baby. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to turn the notifications on so you don't miss any uploads from yours truly. And of course, thumbs up the video, share, comment, spread the love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye-bye.